Hello guys!
What's up guys?
As you can see guys, so this time we will show you how to create 3D animation with using Blender application. My name is Muhammad Aziz Ramadan and this is
Michael Griswold Matupang.
And let's get started.
Okay guys, back again with me in Blender application. Okay, now we will animate this project that we have made before. First step, go to animation, and this is the view of camera. Then click N, go to view and lock camera to view. Okay, and for set the view camera, you can change in here. Okay, like this. After finish, it to start animating, click this button and we can start to animating. We can use move tool, rotate tool, or scale tool. Make sure you arrange it frame by frame. Okay, after finish, this is the first frame and this is the last frame, and if you play it like this. Okay, then go to layout and time to rendering. For rendering, set the file format, and you can also set quality, output, and for N, adjust to last frame. Okay, the last step, rendering animation.
Okay guys!
That's all about video making animation. Untuk yang membuat gaming we hope you can get it.
Thank you guys!
Belum